Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make a Mexican delicacy which is tortillas. Now tortillas are nothing but Mexican flatbread which is traditionally made with corn flour, but today we are going to make flour tortillas, that is with all-purpose flour, and we're also going to make some delicious quesadillas using the tortillas. Now quesadillas are going to be made with some nice filling with vegetables, some cheese and some salsa, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the tortillas, first we are going to mix the dough. To a bowl, take 2 heaped cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon baking powder. So just mix everything. Next add 5 tablespoons of oil. So you can just use regular cooking oil, you can use olive oil, or you can use melted butter. So just mix all this together first. So gradually pour some hot water. So this is not boiling hot water, or it's not just lukewarm. It has to be hot enough so you can touch it and you'll be able to mix it well. So gradually pour in the hot water and start mixing the dough. So knead the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes till it's all well combined and you get a nice, even and smooth surface. So you can see I've kneaded the dough. It's got a nice smooth surface. Close the bowl and let the dough sit for about 2 hours at room temperature. So the dough has been sitting for about 2 hours now. Now we're going to divide the dough into equal sized dough balls and we're going to roll it out. So divide the dough into equal sized balls. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place one of the dough balls. Just sprinkle a little bit of the flour. Make sure it's completely coated. Roll it out a bit thin and even on all sides. So we're going to make them nice and flat. So you can see I've rolled it out nice and thin. Make sure all the sides are of equal size because you don't want it thicker on the edges. So now we're going to cook the tortillas. Take a nice white tawa, heat the tawa and maintain the flame on medium throughout. So you can see the pan is hot. Place the rolled out dough. You can see those little bubbles coming up. So I'm just going to flip it to the other side now. You can cook for about 30 to 40 seconds on each side. Once you make the tortillas, place them in a cloth. By wrapping them in the cloth, the tortillas won't dry up and they'll be soft. So next I'm going to make the vegetable filling for the quesadillas. For this, to a bowl, add 1 cup of cooked corn kernels. Next add 1 small onion finely chopped, a piece of capsicum finely chopped. So you can use any color of your choice. So I'm using the green and the red capsicum, 1 green chili finely chopped. So if you don't want it spicy, you can cut out the green chili. Add a few chopped coriander leaves. So next I'm going to season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper and 1/4 teaspoon mixed herbs. Just mix everything. So the vegetable filling is done. Keep this aside. So now we're going to make the quesadillas. For this, take a nice white tawa or a pan. Grease the skillet with some oil. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. So now we're going to start placing all the fillings for the quesadillas. So I'm starting with some grated cheese. So we're just going to place everything on one side of the tortilla. Next, add the prepared vegetables. Now add the salsa. I've already made a video on how to make salsa. We'll give the link in the description. You can check it out and make it. Now place more cheese on top. Now close the tortilla and gently press it. So continue to cook on medium-low flame so you can actually see all the cheese melting. So once it's cooked on one side, I'm gently going to flip it to the other side. So this is a easy technique. Do whichever you want. So there you go, here are these absolutely delicious quesadillas. We've loaded with cheese and veggies. Now you can use any filling of your choice, and we've also seen how to make tortillas from scratch. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.